To enable or disable video stabilization on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open the camera app. Now over here in the camera, we're gonna tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner. Once you pop up this window, this menu over here, we need to tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner of that menu. Now you will go to the camera settings, and in here we need to scroll down until you find the video stabilization, which can be easily disabled or enabled just by tapping on the switcher over here. And that is pretty much it. Now you should be able to switch to the video mode quite easily and record videos with the video stabilization. However, you can also go to these additional settings for the video mode, and in here we have the standard video stabilization. You can also set it to active, or you can set it to locked. You can tap on this question mark right next to every single one of them in order to find a little description of these stabilization options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.